guys, YouTubers here, and today there is Agent Josh, Agent Rice, and Agent Josh. We're going on a mission. Shut up!
Oh God!
Yo, check me.
And let's go. First, we need to jump. Hi. You guys not following? I'm gonna kill you. Put it on. Put it on. Come.
Now, baby, we back.
Right, Sean.
Hold on, steady. I will take it out. Oh, come on.
Do not ask for this on Twitter. You hear me?
Wait.
Bye bye. Let's go. So I got my gun ready. We're going to fight evil Dr. Darkness. You hear Dr. Darkness? Or how you call it, Dr. Shit? And let's go. See, I got my gun ready. Nice quality gun. Nice shooty. Booty, shooty, booty. Pull back. Nice. And now you are coming. Well, me alone. Guys, this is how. Ready? Just load it back. You see, she's very hard. I load it back, as you see. I just saw something in my one of dog shit. Where is it? I need to pass around. I get my gun ready. Let's go. Could you leave it? Shut up! Please! Leave Oxford out on Twitter, please! Did I just pass Dr. Darkness? Dr. Darkness. He's right there. I will kill you. He's dead. Time to go. I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, right, Sean. That's the first time I
Peanut butter